Buildings are responsible for 45% of all carbon emissions. Over 100 million square feet of new construction is built each year. We are changing how we build today so we can meet New York's nation-leading climate goals and create better buildings for stronger communities. We are improving our buildings' performance, reducing on-site energy use by enough to power 1.8 million homes, 85% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions by 2050. Through the Buildings of Excellence competition, visionary architects and developers are leading the way. This is the beginning of a cleaner future for all New Yorkers. Excellence. To be the absolute best. Excelling in every aspect. Forging ahead to a greater standard. To lead a nation. To transform an industry. To invent the outcome. State-of-the-art buildings brought to life. For New Yorkers. For our future. Propelled by the challenge to shatter the way it has always been done. We are high performance, low carbon, low impact, builders of excellence, showing that low carbon buildings can be affordable, profitable, beautiful, and great places to live. Buildings of Excellence, partnerships making New York's buildings cleaner and more efficient, making better buildings for better communities.